Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to use BASE44 to build an app, no coding needed. So if this video will help you, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, go to BASE44.com and tap Start Building. Then just create your account. Once you're in, you will land on the dashboard and you will notice that there is an AI chat on the right away. Alright, so create your first app. In the AI chat box, you can type in what kind of app you want to build. So let's try it out. I will type a simple calendar app. After that, just wait a few seconds while it processes your from. And boom, your app layout and structure are generated automatically. You can tweak or undo anything if needed. So if you want to test it live, just tap on the preview panel to see how it works. And if you want to talk directly to the AI about your app logic or flow, just tap Edit App and then enter Discuss mode. Alright, so just save whatever you want on your app. Design it whatever you want. Alright, so you can also customize and preview. From here, you can change the design, change color or font or layout, and more using the visual editor. When your app is ready, just hit the dashboard. Then tap the share icon to generate a public link or invite tester. Now let's publish it and try our own app. Tap the upload icon at the top and hit publish. And just like that, we land on our app login page. Super clean and minimal. Alright, so let's try login using our Google account real quick. And boom, that's it. You got your very own working app without coding needed. So that's it. You just build an actual working app using BASE44. Without writing a simple line of code. So thanks for watching. If you have got question or want more tutorials, drop a comment below.